Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create IGTV series on Instagram. Instagram IGTV series feature allows users to segment their videos into particular collections. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into Instagram, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the video you would like to upload. Hit the next icon, choose the long video option and press on the continue button. Select the cover image, click next. Here find the Add to Series section and tap it. Press on the Create Your First Series icon. Type in your series name. And add description if you want. After that, hit the checkmark icon. Tap Done. Now the only thing left to do is to write your video's title and post it. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create IGTV series on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.